Traders, I posted this hot list into the hot list channel yesterday. And what I want to do with this video is run through and see how this list played out. And I'll share with you our trading strategy. Okay, we had a good day yesterday. Let's jump into the charts and have a quick look and see how things turned out. So the first one, I'll just run from the top down, marked up in green. Okay, this was when I posted the list at the beginning of the Asian session yesterday, and yeah, I mean, we were looking for a sell Aussie Swissy. I mean, you can see the outcome. So you just run off this signal here, stop above to our target by default, or you can target this yellow line down the bottom. Time to exit or take profits is when you see these green crosses. Well, when we align these, all right, that's telling you when to consider taking partial profits. And I mean, look, if you're in front of it, you can follow this. See how it's trending under the cloud here? Well, you could look to close it when it heads into the cloud. Okay, so we've got more green crosses here. We've got this indicator telling us that it's time to bail, and these daily and 8-hour lines. So yeah, good time to close. Very simple strategy. We just follow the indicators and run with it. Let's double click that. The next one was the Euro Aussie. Let's go back. So Aussie Swiss, yeah, short. Okay, Euro Aussie buy. Okay, here it is. Just delete some of these. So we're looking for the opportunity when it's in a bullish trend, and red turns to green, and we get these signals. Going down, we had a Euro Kiwi. I took this trade. Okay, red turning green, and I closed at 1R here, and then I was looking for a pullback for a re-entry. And I think we had a Kiwi Swiss and a New Zealand dollar idea. New Zealand dollar, yeah, New Zealand dollar was a sell, as was the New Zealand Swiss. I mean, look, you can see how powerful these the indicators are. Let me just shift into bearish mode. Right, there's our bearish signal there. All right, so when we're in a bearish trend, we ignore the green signals and we only run with red signals. And then the Kiwi Swiss. Again, green turning red. It was the opportunity at the Asian Open. Yeah, it was here. This line is the Asia Open. Those of you who took these trades, well done. And yeah, depending on how you manage them, was a really nice outcome. So today's hot list is in, and there'll be a daily mentorship video. Okay, I post the mentorship video every day, covering the hot list, showing you how to trade it. And yeah, guys, if you haven't already, if you're sitting on the fence, this is free. You can auto copy my trades, by the way. This is free for 7 days. It will cost you absolutely zero. And after that, at the moment, all I'm asking is you shout me lunch once a month and you gain exceptional value. Snap this up before it goes up, guys, because it will be going up in the near future. This is a promo discount since we have introduced a new strategy pretty much, and the indicators why. Have a look at the announcements here. This is today, July the 8th. All right, so, global tariff shakeup. Get ready for some volatility, guys. Okay, this explains why. I won't go into it, but you can read that. It's on my Discord. And here I posted this today as well. This is to do with the VIX, the volatility index. See, we've got a spike in the VIX. Okay, so this is a bit of an analysis and a bit of a warning as well that, look forward to some very unexpected volatility in the markets in the near future. Okay, guys, got some alerts going off. I can hear. Better get back into the charts and, join us. I mean, there's options here. If you click WAP, you'll have a PayPal and Stripe option. you're not billed immediately. Okay, it gives you 7 days, or you can just go straight into PayPal. And again, it'll give you 7 days. And you can control this. If you decide for whatever reason this is not for you, I mean, you can opt out. But I'm finding that our members are really enjoying the success we're having at the moment. All right, guys, look, with that, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP.